Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's take a quick look at this 2016 Audi RS7 Prestige. Now this exterior color is a special color that is called the Daytona Gray Matte effect. This has a black interior color, and this is powered by a twin turbo premium unleaded 4.0 liter V8 engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic RS7 produces 605 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, and this can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 3.6 seconds, and it has achieved a top track speed of 190 miles per hour, which is not bad for a car that weighs 4,497 pound-feet of torque. Now, one thing that is really interesting about this particular RS7 is that it has $17,945 in factory options alone, making it a very expensive RS7. When it was brand new, the price was $127,770, but currently it's on sale for $68,950. And as you can see, it has like carbon fiber in a lot of the parts that comes with this. Even on the dash you can see the carbon fiber on it, and this was for weight control. So it's a very beautiful and expensive RS7. Now, some of the features that makes this to be a very expensive RS7 includes the optional Daytona Gray Matte Black that costs $6,000, the optional B&O Advanced Sound System that costs $4,900 extra. This has a carbon optic package that costs $4,500 with a sport exhaust with black tips. So this also have a 21 5-spoke titanium finish wheels, power closing doors, Audi first aid kit, and front filler panel. Other things that really makes this RS7 to stand out includes the all-wheel drive and the air suspension that it comes with. This has adaptive air suspension with locking and limited slip differential, making it a very powerful and off-road worthy car. This also has heated mirrors, integrated turn signal mirrors, power folding mirrors, and rear defroster. This also have like variable speed intermittent wipers and rain sensing wipers. So this is a very expensive RS7 that stands out, and it's beautiful. I love the color, I love the wheels, and I love everything about this RS8. So please, if you're new to my channel, I want you to leave your comment, press the bell notification icon, and like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.